Hey everyone! Welcome back to Network Academy Fun, where we learn to become data center engineers while having a good time. Today's lesson: you're a network engineer. The journey continues. Next steps. Hey everyone! Remember sweating over subnetting or tracing those tangled cables? Well, congrats! You've totally leveled up. You're officially in the Network Engineer Club. And that's a huge deal. This isn't the finish line, though. It's just the start of the next epic quest. Today, we're looking at what comes after those foundational skills, especially if you're eyeing the awesome world of data centers. So, you've mastered the local coffee shop network and maybe even optimized your grandma's Wi-Fi. Awesome. Now, imagine a massive brain for the entire internet, humming with thousands of servers, switches, and blinking lights. That's a data center. It's where the asterisk real magic happens, handling everything from your Netflix stream to your online banking. It's a whole new playground with different rules and much bigger toys. Network engineering isn't just one job. It's like an Avengers team of tech pros. After mastering the basics, you get to choose your superpower. Do you want to be a security sentinel, a wireless wizard, a cloud captain, or, my personal favorite, a data center dynamo? Each path is super exciting, offers unique challenges, and lets you dive deep into specific technologies. What's your calling? Forget the old, slow, three-tier network cake model. Modern data centers are all about blazing speed and massive scalability. That's why we often use spine leaf architecture. Imagine a central superhighway, the spine, connecting directly to every single exit ramp. The leaves. It's like building a super efficient, super fast spiderweb for data, with cool concepts like VXLAN overlays making it even crazier and more flexible. Remember those repetitive tasks? Manually configuring 50 identical switches? Yawn. Enter automation. This is where you learn to make computers do the boring, time-consuming stuff for you using tools like Python, Ansible, or other scripting languages. It's like having a robot assistant who never complains, works 24/7, and frees you up for more interesting, challenging work. It's not just cool, it's essential. The cloud isn't just fluffy white stuff anymore. It's a huge, integral part of modern data centers. We're talking about connecting your on-premise gear to public clouds like AWS, Azure, or Google Cloud Platform. This is hybrid cloud, getting the best of both worlds. Understanding how to build those secure, scalable bridges between your physical data center and the virtual cloud is a massive, in-demand skill. You've built this amazing, fast, automated data center network, but what good is it if it's not secure? Think of network security as the ultimate bouncer, making sure only the good packets get in and the bad ones are shown the door. Firewalls, access control lists, intrusion detection systems, VPNs, it's all part of keeping your digital fortress safe from cyber baddies. Security isn't just a feature, it's foundational. The tech world never stops evolving, and neither should you. This journey is all about continuous learning. Whether it's chasing that shiny new certification, CCNP, JNCIP, AWS Certified Network Specialty, whatever your jam, diving into a new scripting language, or just tinkering with new tech in your home lab, curiosity is your superpower. Keep learning, keep exploring, and most importantly, keep having fun on this incredible network engineering adventure. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the like button.